I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration of my DIY modular home automation Arduino DIN rail holder thingy. Straight to the chase, you can mount it in two ways. The obvious one here with a bit of a clamp here, which will kind of hold it in place but still allow for some motion. Now the other method will be a bit more extreme, because I am going to be using this back panel and jamming in the screws real hard here and semi-permanently attach it in place. As you can see now, it's got some a little bit of momentum, but not much anymore. So now I'm just going to apply this, hopefully without much drama, and secure it with some nuts. Obviously, if you'd be doing this properly, you would have some washers underneath, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm not gonna really bother with that. So let's just help this little bad boy out. This should be doing the trick anytime soon. Okay, yes, these are nice and flush, as you can tell, and I'm going to tighten them up just a smidge. So here you go, nice and tight. This is not going anywhere anytime soon. I'm still gonna show you the other method, which would be to jam this in. As you can see, it's gonna hold on to the other piece of metal, and you would also be using a screw on the front. Screw it in as one would. Hopefully the holes at the back align. They should. He says. So you go through that as well. This might take a bit more time. Yeah, this is not... Oh, it's actually going quite well. I can feel it at the back. So it's coming out the other side. Let's do it quicker this way. And this one has a fancy way to lock it in place. I'm using a 3D printed nut holder. This screw is probably a bit too long. It's this one. So it's got a little nut there, and you can just tighten it this way. It should be really convenient. Come on, get in there. And it'll just tighten up. Oh, something went sideways. Why did this come up? Okay, go till the very end, stay there. Here we go, something went pear-shaped. So this one is using to increase the forces on the clamp idea, and now you have a super double triple whammy of a lock. Now this bit, this is where your extensions will be added. So your Arduino, your, I don't know, Idefruits, whatever ESP, whatever thing you want to go for, some maybe active PoE, whatever. You jam it in here. So there'll be your other module. I will include the link for that. I think I've done a little contraption. And to top it all up, you also have this to make sure that whatever you attached will never leave. Yeah, the triple whammy. So again, you screw this thing through. Use a screwdriver. That might be a quicker win. Obviously, as you can tell, these screws are a bit too long, but for demonstration purposes should do the trick. And obviously apply the nut at the back, and there you have it, a DIY modular Arduino DIN rail holder thingy. Not even sure how to call it, but yeah, quite cool. This has been designed in TinkerCAD. However, now I'm working to redo the entire thing in FreeCAD, which is interesting to say the least. But yeah, that's it. I think that's all I have to say. Cheers.